Marking 2 decades of continuous service to Cameroonian communities, African Action on AIDS celebrated its 20th anniversary at the end of 2011 with its annual seminar for orphans at Montfebe. The theme of the 20th anniversary seminar was How to Dress Responsibly. The subject of the seminar was carefully selected to educate the young orphans on the importance of proper and decent dressing, which helps protect them in society. The seminar began with the orphans joining hands and forming a large circle as a symbol of unity and support. In the center of the circle, new members gathered together to introduce themselves and share their stories. The orphans who attended previous seminars gave their support to new members by telling their own stories and sharing their advice. After introductions and welcome greetings, the seminar took a more serious note when the children were given instructions on how to dress responsibly in today's society. After the main theme of the seminar was thoroughly covered, the orphans were taught how to use condoms in order to prevent unwanted pregnancies and protect them against sexually transmitted diseases. This was followed by an HIV screening test taken by all the children. It should be noted that the best way to prevent the spread of HIV/AIDS is to test yourself and know your status. After the tests, the children had a healthy lunch.
Élève en classe de seconde espagnol. Déjà, mon cœur bat à la chamade déjà parce que j'assiste dans un groupe de jeunes, en plus bien portants, valides. Ça me donne vraiment le courage de faire beaucoup de choses, d'avoir la vision, une autre vision des choses, quoi. Donc pour moi, je me sens vraiment à l'aise et surtout qu'ils sont vraiment sympas et ils me comprennent et je les comprends aussi. Pour moi, c'est un très grand plaisir.
Moi, je suis Gislaine, élève au lycée de Biamati, première D. Nous étions ici au séminaire et c'est ma première fois d'être là. Mais j'ai franchement aimé cela, car nous nous sommes amusés. J'ai fait la connaissance de nombreux enfants et elles étaient vraiment très gentilles.
C'est mademoiselle Aïssatou Issa. Je suis étudiante à l'IPAF PM, c'est-à-dire Institut panafricain de formation paramédicale. Je suis aujourd'hui au séminaire de AAA, African Action on AIDS, une organisation qui m'a beaucoup aidé il y a de cela 5 ans aujourd'hui. Oui, aujourd'hui nous avons tenu à faire un dépistage pour le VIH/SIDA. Donc, et je suis une fille de la religion musulmane. Compte tenu du fait que l'islam condamne les rapports extra-conjugaux, c'est-à-dire hors des foyers conjugaux, donc je suis pour l'abstinence. Après l'abstinence, peut-être jusqu'au mariage et la fidélité pendant mon mariage. Oui, à cela, j'invite donc tous les jeunes frères et sœurs de la communauté musulmane à se dépister, car connaître son statut est une bonne chose.
And this is the end of the year we call it end of the year event, and they come and they meet each other, they make friends, they create a network, and we go through certain themes. Like this time it was how to dress responsibly, and so it was really a wonderful day, and we did some AIDS testing because we still want them to be completely aware of the fact that preventing AIDS starts with testing. And here we are at the end of the day, happy girls, and all of us really very happy to have a great year and to be starting a new one.
African Action on AIDS strongly believes in the importance of educating young orphans on how to dress responsibly and how to protect themselves from HIV/AIDS. Not only does this help the children, it teaches them how to be role models for others. After 20 years of service, African Action on AIDS looks forward to many more years of educating young orphans, which is critical for positive developments in Cameroonian society.